Dear Bill, Bibi Koy, Michiko, Nico, finally, asawa na kita. Nagtagumpay ka. Nagtagumpay ka ng paiyak ako.
Every time I am asked, what is my dream? I can't answer a specific job or profession. All I want is to make my parents proud. But secretly, I have a dream to have a wedding and to marry the love of my life.
Marriage is what? It is a vocation of our service to whom? To God, our Creator.
You move slow.
Ryan. Nicole ulit. Nasa... Glasses.
Both feet on the ground. The words we speak have such a lovely sound.
Hoy! Masisira makeup ka, daddy! Come here! Hug daw, hug daw. Hoy! Yeah. Come here!
God bless na lang no sa wedding day nyo ni Mitch. Amo lang to, hindi na miss kasi iiyak ako.
Hindi biro ang 3 taon na mag-LDR tayo. Pero sobrang patient mo para sa akin.
It was a long journey and it was very hard. But you are worth it. I already had a glimpse of this day, but in reverse. It is you walking towards me slowly.
Hindi ko alam kung nung una ay karapat-dapat ako sa isang katulad mo. Pero pinakita mo sa akin na ang pag-ibig ay walang pinipili.
In the best and worst of times, I'm yours and darling, you are mine.
Sinusumpa ko at ipinapangako na mamahalin kita at pagsisilbihan ng buong puso at katapatan habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Bibi Koy, Michiko Basico.
I vow to love you with everything I have. I love you so much, Bebe Koy.